Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to do a split screen on your iPhone. So to do that, you'll just have to go to your Apple Store and download an app called Split Screen Dual Window. After downloading it, you can now open the app and use it to do a split screen on your iPhone. So as you can see here, I'm using the other screen to watch YouTube videos and the other screen is to search on my Google browser. So now let's try searching on my Google browser. Let's try typing random words. For example, Hero Academia, my favorite anime. So as you can see here, I'm using browser and YouTube. So that's how easy you can do a split screen on your iPhone. You just have to download an app called Split Screen Dual Window. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.